Hey, what's up guys? Chip Walters here, and today we're going to talk about how to install KPACKS. We're using 2.82 version of Blender, the released version. So it's pretty much straightforward, and you would install it just like any other add-on. So let's go into your edit and our preferences, and let's press the install button. And I'm going to go to my desktop because I've downloaded this KPACKS free directly to my desktop. It's 17.1 megabytes. I'll hit the install button, and then I'll turn on this, which will activate it. And you can see already it pops up over here, and I can save my preferences, and now we're good to go. So I'll select an object, and we can basically grab one of the inserts. Here's our libraries. We can have cutters simple, cutters medium, you know, all kinds of things. So let's take an object. Let's take this for instance. With this object selected, I will hit the add insert button and drag it over here, and you can see now we have our object. And if I want to add materials to this object, I want to basically turn off this auto select insert and then select it. And once I've done that, I can go down to the paint and I can choose, let's say the dowel plastic, and we're good. Okay, and then the rest of this is these basically hide some of the parts of the KPACKS inserts, these little buttons down here. We can also remove the KPACKS prop from this object, and when we do that, this is just becomes separate objects anyway. The booleans are still there, of course. And now we're going to add some more KPACKS, and KPACKS are folders full of blend files we call inserts, and each folder has a name which shows up here. So let's add some of those. So I'll go into my preferences for KPACKS, and on my file paths you'll see I have this plus button. I'll hit the plus, and then I'll go here, and then I'm going to go to a KPACK. And so let's look at my Eevee Materials one, for instance. So I'll double click on that, and I'll keep double clicking until I get to a blend file. And once I get to a blend file, I'll go up one level and say accept. Now each one of these is KPACKS, and it's going to load all of those KPACKS. And now I'm going to save my preferences and close. And now when we look, we have all of these. So let's go into something like CW Plastic. Click here and let them load. Notice the first time you click here, it may take a while for these to load. Subsequently, it loads almost instantaneously. I'll grab this plastic one, and in this case, I'm going to, if you look, it says control is import and assign material. So I'm not going to import an object, I'm just going to assign the material. I'll hold the control key down, I'll click, and it assigns the material to that object. Pretty much that's all there is to it. If you want to add another KPACK, you go into preferences, and we'll hit a plus button here, and we'll choose a path, and this time we'll go back to my master folders area here. These are all, and let's grab this SC NIMS 350. This is a Sir Charles KPACK. I keep clicking until I get to blend files, and then I go back up one and say accept. And now I've added all of those decals here, and let's go ahead and see what we have. And there we have classic. Here's our decal. So I can basically take this, and with this selected, hit add insert and drag it over here, hit the S button to scale it, and there you have it. Here's our decal. So, and I can colorize that, of course, by just going in here and adjusting the color here. So we can do that. I can add some grunge to it, so it basically breaks it up if I want, so I can do all kinds of things with it from here. So hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you online.